Abopoke Tech is here. Today I'm going to show you how you can know if anyone is tracking you on WhatsApp. And this is a very serious issue. You have to know this trick, because if someone know your chat, you are scared. You are in big troubles, because in this world there is so many things that no one you want to know it except yourself, because your secret is your secret and it is very important to you. So in this case, I'm going to show you the easiest and quickest way to protect your WhatsApp account from anyone that whether he can know you are chatting or your information on your WhatsApp. So this is the easiest way. But before that, please like this video, share it to friends and family, and follow me and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. So if you want to know whether someone is tracking you on WhatsApp, just go to your WhatsApp. On your WhatsApp, click the three dots and then you can see link devices. So click that link devices. If you go to link devices, you can see devices like whether Android or iOS devices or laptops. So if you see one of these devices or one device or more, and you yourself you only use your smartphone without using any third-party devices, you don't link any devices with your WhatsApp account, so you have to very quickly tap that devices and remove it, because in this way you protect yourself, because someone in somewhere he see all your WhatsApp chatting and all your WhatsApp information. So in this way you protect yourself from anyone to know your secret on your WhatsApp account. So that is how you can know whether someone is tracking you on WhatsApp or no. If you don't see any device, so you are safe. There is no one track your WhatsApp account, and you have to very time to time check that link devices, because someone can collect your smartphone and then link devices with your WhatsApp account without you are noticing, and he can store huge information on your secret. So this is a very important to know. So guys, what do you think about this video? Let me know inside the comment section, and please like this video, share it to friends and family, and follow me and subscribe for more video like this. Thank you. See you very soon.